Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the SSD and making a reliable backup. This protects data because conversion will remove partitions. Next, check that your motherboard supports UEFI boot and that you have Windows install media or a recovery drive. Open Disk Management or run diskpart list disk to verify disk number and size. Once done, unplug other drives to avoid mistakes. Make sure secure boot settings won't block later steps. If needed, note current BIOS settings so you can restore them afterward. Now you boot to the Windows installer or recovery environment and open Command Prompt. Run diskpart list disk, select disk X for the SSD, then run clean to wipe partitions. This is why the backup matters. After clean, run convert GPT to rewrite the partition table. Once converted, create an EFI system partition and an MSR partition, or let the installer create them automatically. You do this because GPT requires an EFI partition for UEFI boot and MSR for Windows partition management. Finally, install Windows or restore your disk image to the newly converted GPT SSD while the firmware is set to UEFI boot mode. After restoration, run BCD boot to rebuild boot files if the system doesn't boot. This writes EFI boot entries. Once booted, Verify Disk Management shows GPT and the EFI partition. If you run into errors, make sure SATA mode is correct, disable or toggle Secure Boot temporarily, and run chkdsk or restore the backup if conversion corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.